going to do a quick example to help you with problem A3. And your instructions are, after you watch this video, you go ahead and complete problem A3 on your spiral notebook or in your notes, whatever your teacher calls it. And then you need to raise your hand and show your teacher your completed vertical number line after you're finished. Okay? A vertical number line, of course, would be up and down because vertical means up and down. And so when I draw this, it's really just going to look like a thermometer. And what you're asked to do is to plot the given temperatures on your sketched vertical number line. So when I am thinking about drawing my vertical number line, I want to look at the temperatures that I'm being asked to draw. And I've got quite a range here because my temperatures go clear up to 102 degrees and clear down to negative 16.3 degrees. So when I'm thinking about drawing my vertical number line, would I want to use a scale of 1? Would I want to count by ones? No, of course not. That would be a super long vertical number line. So I'm going to think about, well, what scale should I use? Should I count by 5s, by 2s, by 20s, by 10s, by 15s? There's really not a right or wrong answer. It's just a scale that works for you that is practical. So for me, I'm thinking I'm going to count by 10s. So what I'm going to do is try to neatly draw my vertical number line first. And sometimes when people draw a number line, they think that 0 has to go right in the center. But remember, these arrows on the ends say that it goes on forever in both directions, and you don't have to have 0 right in the center. And in this case, since I have to go clear up to 102 degrees, but only down to negative 16.3 degrees, I want to leave a whole bunch of space above my 0. And so I'm going to put 0 about right here. And then I'm going to put, since I decided my scale is going to be 10s, I would go negative 10, negative 20. And then I'd go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and so on. I was cutting this close. But what I tried to do was make my tick marks equal distance apart from one another. And now I just go about plotting my temperatures. So 28 degrees I know is close to 30 degrees. So if I look between 20 and 30, 25 would be directly in the center, so 28 would be a lot closer to 30. I'm going to put 28 about right there. 102 degrees is just slightly over 100 degrees. So here's my 100, here's my 110. 105 would be right in the middle. So 102 would be approximately right there. And then negative 16.3 degrees is between negative 10 and negative 20 degrees. It's pretty close to negative 15, just a little past the negative 15 point. So here's negative 10, here's negative 20. Negative 15 would be directly in the center. So negative 16.3 would just be slightly lower than that. Okay, so that's an example of how you would plot temperatures on a vertical number line. So now you go ahead and do problem A3 and then let your teacher know when you're finished so she can take a look at it.